What's up guys, I'm Chris, and today this is gonna be my first video on YouTube, and I want to tell you something. Like my first video is gonna be about, I'm gonna put the camera I'm recording right now right here on this car, so you can see right here, and I'm gonna start, like, this remote car, I'm gonna start driving it, and it's gonna chase after my dog and bunny. So let's see their reaction to the car. Are they gonna be scared or not? Let's see. Come and see. Okay, here it goes. As you can see the dog right there, let's chase him. Yeah, as you can see right there, we chased the dog. Yeah, whatever. You see him? He's just tired. He doesn't like the car that much. Sorry, bro, but I had to do that. It was funny. Okay. Okay. That's it. We're done. Please subscribe, like this video. Yeah, and see my other videos, like how to get more followers on Instagram. That's a good video, and I gotta say, you get followers. I'm telling you, follow it and you're gonna get followers. Well, peace out. I'm Chris. Subscribe and like this video. Doggy, say bye.